how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. Hello guys, all what you have to do is open settings on your phone, open apps, open the apps like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. And now scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Click on this option here in the top, and after you click on it, now all what you want to do is very simple. Just click on the storage right here, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on data usage, and disable the background data and the roaming data. Now you have to go to Play Store or App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.